front of me is Samsung Solid, and let me show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, just open your menu, then find and select Settings. Here go to Sound Profiles, and if you are using normal on daily basis, just tap on Edit to change ringtone for this profile. So let's go to Voice Caller Ringtone, and now you can pick the one that you would like to apply. Tap on Select, and that's it. You can go back now, and it will be added. As you can see, here it is. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change ringtone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.